Hey, this is Daryl Henry with Insurance for Entrepreneurs, and this video is why do Maryland business owners need commercial property insurance? I'm going to go through 4 different reasons so that at the end you can understand if and why you need commercial property insurance for your business. The first reason why business owners need commercial property insurance is financial protection. At the end of the day, you'll buy a building, you'll buy inventory, you'll pay for furniture, and you may spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to get your business going. I work with some daycares. They'll walk me around and they'll point out the education materials, the furniture that needs to be specially ordered, and they'll explain that it took $200,000 to get everything up and going. Well, they may not have $200,000 sitting around to replace all that inventory if there was a pipe burst in the building or if there was a fire in the building. And so the reason they buy property insurance is to give that type of financial protection to potentially replace that inventory if they had to do it, and if there was a fire, and if something terrible happened. The second reason why you might need commercial property insurance would be if you have some type of contract or some type of legal requirements. Honestly, the insurance industry has to thank the mortgage industry and the banking industry for a lot of business that they send our way, because if it weren't for loans and if it weren't for banks, there are a lot of people that would probably skip property insurance. But banks will look at a lot of property owners and say, we don't want to give you a loan unless there's some type of insurance in place. So, very frequently, people reach out to buy property insurance because some type of financial institution is looking at them and saying, yeah, we'll give you money, but we'll only give you money if you show some type of proof that our money is protected by insurance that we approve of. The third reason why business owners should buy property insurance would be for business continuity. So, this gets away from actually insuring the structures and the inventory inside of your building and gets into business continuity, gets into business income and extra expense coverage. Basically, if there's a fire in your place of work, whether it's an office or a retail store, the first thing that you're going to be concerned about is whether or not you've got money to replace the building and all your inventory and your furniture and fixtures. The next thing you're going to be worried about is whether or not you've got money to cover payroll, to cover your net income, to relocate for a period of time while you can't use your current space. You're going to need money for business continuity to keep going, because a lot of businesses, when their operations are interrupted, they never get back going again because they don't have enough money. You need insurance for that, because most of us don't have $1 million in the bank for some type of natural disaster or big interruption. And the fourth reason why business owners need commercial property insurance is simply for peace of mind. I know for me personally, I'm in my home right now recording this video. It gives me peace of mind knowing that there is an insurance policy out there to rebuild my home if something happens. Similarly, for a business, it should give peace of mind to know that there is a good quality insurance program in place if there's a fire, if there's lightning, if there's some type of hurricane that's going to damage your building and disrupt your operations, that there's going to be money there to protect you in a time of need. And that's really important. So, those are 4 reasons why Maryland business owners should buy property insurance. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit like and subscribe. It helps other people like you find the content. And if you want to learn more about me, please go to my website at insuranceforontrepreneurs.net. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Go build something great.